Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy to whiten yellow teeth, turn dirty teeth to pearl white naturally, and whiten teeth at home with very simple ingredients. It's super effective and super helpful. This magical remedy works 100% in whiten yellow teeth. The first ingredient we need to add is a pinch of turmeric powder, then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of salt, just regular table salt. Then add 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Then we need toothpaste, and here I'm using Signal toothpaste. You can use Colgate toothpaste, any toothpaste available for you, and add around 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. And mix well all the ingredients. After mixing all the ingredients, with an aid of your toothbrush, dip in the toothbrush into the remedy like so, and brush your teeth with this remedy. It whitens the teeth naturally and will get you pearl white teeth with very simple ingredients, guys. This is super effective remedy, super helpful in whitening yellow teeth and turn yellow dirty teeth to pearl white. It removes teeth tartar and it whitens the teeth naturally at home. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give the video a big like, and I will see you in my next video.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.